What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, the NY couple uploaded their behind the scene of MK's wedding. Instagram post was Escriban caption it, still a happy life from you guys. Your wedding is so happy for you. Everything is perfect. Of course, because of friends, really execute things.
You're my perfection.
Leanne commented to the post candidly and said, "My maid of honor, my soul sister, my other half, I love you." As you can see, Roselle's band gives her 100% best that day. Dek also shared his best part of the MK's wedding. He was the best man of his best friend, Mark Payne. Dek also gives his best to celebrate and make the MK's couple happy. Dek Dimia also thanking to everyone to all the part of his best friend's wedding. Kimberly Ann showed up with a post. Best friend is so handsome. Love you, man. This text says, next year, 10 years, we want to come back again together to visit the place where he proposed to Rosaya. There, they tied the knot on September 14, 2023.
Ben best man of เจ้าบ่าว
And guess the place was very important to them.